Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So that is about, we can use about L'Hospital. So we need to know that we have the second formula in here. This one, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Now, we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one, we need to do first the derivative of s multiplied by f and s. Later that we do first the derivative of L and s multiplied by s. This one we have number 1. So we can simplify like this. This one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 2 to the power of s, L and number 2. And now we need to simplify and we have number 1. Next, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative of this one and this one. So first the derivative of L and s, we have 1 over s. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0 in here. This one, we have 2 to the power of s, and we have L and number 2. So this one, we have L and number 2 to the power of 2. About s, we go in here. Now, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.